Well, good morning everyone. It's just gone 4:15. Just headed down to Busselton to try this night squidding, or the very early morning squidding. I've spoken to a Daybreak legend who works at Whitey's, and he reckons that fish are not bad as the sun's coming up, so I'm going to go out very early and give it a go. So yeah, I'll head out to my spot, get my jigs in the water, and hopefully we can find some squid. A beautiful morning, full moon, there's only a couple of clouds in the sky, slide offshore, magic morning. Alright, I'll head out to about 10 metres and then yeah, we'll give it a go. Back I was given some light sticks, so I'm going to give that a go on a barb jig. I normally put a muley or a herring or something like that on. Yeah, we're going to cable tie that on and see if that attracts the squid. Hopefully it will. Hope orange is their colour. We don't even need that out. Feels like there's hardly a breath of wind. Well, it's just before sunrise, 10 to 6. I haven't been attracted to my glow stick. I don't know whether it's got something to do with the full moon or not, but nothing. Just before sun up, I've had one strike. Oh, that rod's going off too. Just all of a sudden I must have gone over a little patch. I missed one on the other rod. This one took off. Only a little one. But that's one. Oh, golly. Got a couple of rods going off. Try and land a few of them. Oh, that one might be the bottom by the look of that. This is a squid though. Not happy. That other jig's quite a, there's the number 4, so that's quite a heavy jig. That probably would have gone straight to the bottom. My drift is not very fast at the moment. There's 2. Oh, get these jigs back in the water, hopefully they're on. Well, the jig I thought it was on the bottom, it's got quite a decent sized squid on it by the look of it. Even though this is my light rod, it's still got a fair bit of bend in it. It looks alright. Well, that's 3 in very quick succession. That was lucky. That's the biggest one so far. Another one on pretty much straight away. Sun hasn't even come up yet. Just all of a sudden seemed to come on. Oh, there's another one on that rod too. Oh, she's a bit hectic, isn't it? Oh, that one's let go. That was my number 4. I think I'm hitting the bottom with that one. I might have to change that one. 4's just a little bit too heavy right now. Nice sunrise. So I got those 4 squid in no time at all, just before the sun came up. Normally I squid when the sun's up, so maximum visual on my jigs, but it doesn't seem to have mattered this morning. Well, when I got those 4 squid, I marked it on my sounder, and I've just come back and got all 4 jigs in the water and pretty much straight on again. So there must be a little school hanging around here somewhere. They're not overly big, but they're edible size. Well, I normally like the wind to be about 1 knot, help me drift about 1 knot, but it's died to absolutely nothing now. So I keep hooking the bottom with my jigs. Beautiful day. I just started cleaning the squid, and I thought I'd hook the bottom, but I haven't. Oh, really? That might be the biggest one for today so far. Reasonable size. Yeah, not bad size at all. Makes 6. What is it? 7:05. They're doing alright. Well, I cleaned all those squid and I've just come back to the spot and I'm on pretty much straight away. Just dragging it behind the boat. Seven. Oh, crikey, got another one on here. Nice little spot for squid. Oh, let go, really? Yeah, well, got the one. I hooked one and then it let go and then it came back. Quite small. Ah, that'll be tasty anyway. That's 8. Definitely a good spot, that old fella there. He's drifting over the same area. Don't know whether he's getting any, but nice little spot out here. This will make 3 since I'd got all the jigs in the water. Good little spot. Going well. This makes 9. Another one from the deep. Not huge sizes, but they're not bad. How's the day? Absolute glass off. Absolute magic. 10 squid in the esky so far. I'm just going to have a bit more of a flick around. Probably give another half an hour or so. I'll head home, I think. What is the time? 8:30. 10 squid by 9 o'clock's not too bad. If that's all I get. See what happens. Just flicking around a couple of different jigs. I'm towing a couple. Keep hooking the bottom now. So, well, I wound 2 jigs up. I'm just jigging 2 of them, keeping them moving, and I got another one. Come here, mate. Making a mess of my boat. Decent size too. Not bad. It's number 11. Still a beautiful day. Well, I guess it's only 9 o'clock. Well, I got the 11 squid, so yeah, I'm going to head home now. Got shit to do, so yeah, they'll probably have a bit of a cook up tomorrow night. Good times by the fire. So yeah, if you liked the video, maybe give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, that'd be great. Alright, thanks for watching. I will see you on the next video. See you later.